Alam namin, rheuma, naririnig namin lang yan sa mga lolo at lola namin. But maybe you can explain to us what is juvenile idiopathic arthritis or juvenile rheuma, kung if that's simpler. May difference bang arthritis sa rheuma? Please enlighten us, educate us po.
Okay. So, yun po yung challenge sa amin, no, as pediatric rheumatologists because syempre, as what all of us know na arthritis or rheuma is just for our lolos and lolas, para sa mga lolo't lola natin.
Oo.
Kasi nga dahil dala ng katandaan. But I just want to inform everyone for the knowledge of everyone na meron din po ito sa bata. So, unfortunately, meron din mga batang nakakaranas ng arthritis.
Oo.
So, to answer your question po, if rheuma and arthritis are the same, yes, they are.
Okay.
So, rheuma is the, syempre, Tagalog term and arthritis is the medical term, no? So, it's basically an inflammation of your joints, yung mga kasu-kasuan po natin.
Oo.
So, yun ang namamaga or masakit kapag po merong arthritis. Now, we call it juvenile idiopathic arthritis because juvenile, of course, sa bata po siya nakikita. And then, idiopathic because the cause is really unknown. So, wala pong may alam kung paano nakukuha ng mga bata or paano namamana ba to or nakakahawa ba to. So, wala po talagang may alam. No? Even studies or journals will tell us na wala talaga. It's idiopathic, unknown origin.
Wow, that's what it means pala.
Yes.
O kung wala pong nakakaalam kung ano yung dahilan nito, wala rin pong solusyon? Wala rin po tayong makukuhang gamot or remedy?
Well, may solution, may treatment, but there's no cure. Kasi alam
There's no
natin,
cure.
Oh.
yes, treatment and cure are two different things, no?
Oh.
So, it's a lifelong illness, but it doesn't mean naman na debilitating for
Yes.
life.
Oo.
Okay. So, it's like basically your hypertension na once you have it, you need to drink maintenance medications to control the disease. So that's our goal in pediatric rheumatology for our patients with JIA. Kailangan kontrolin ho yung sakit.
So how do you
No,
control it
para-
nga, doktora? Ano po yung mga gamot? Hilot-hilot ba yan? Kailangan ba ng pain reliever?
Okay. So, in general, syempre, we start with yung basic non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Yung pong naririnig nating ibuprofen, diba?
pagsakit.
Phenamic,
Oo.
yan. For pain, yes.
Oo,
Or
oo.
sometimes paracetamol sa bata, effective din po ang paracetamol for pain. But of course, treatment ng mga batang merong JIA, as we call it, is step ladder po yung approach. Meaning, magsa-start tayo sa step 1, may mga batang magre-respond, may mga batang hindi. So if they're non-responsive, we go to step 2. So next would be your steroids, and then pataas po ng pataas sa ladder yung treatment natin. Yes.